Nicolas Cage was walking down the street with his pet llama, Mr. Snuggles, when suddenly a group of tourists approached him asking for a photo. As Nicolas Cage poses for the picture, Mr. Snuggles decides to slip by the time to sneeze, spraying snot all over Cage's face. Feeling embarrassed and humiliated, Nicolas Cage tries to wipe the snot off his face, but only manages to make it worse. As Nicolas Cage attempts to make a quick escape, he trips over Mr. Snuggles' leash and falls flat on his face. As Nicolas Cage gets up from the ground, covered in snot and shame, he mutters to himself, "Why do these things always happen to me?"